Hey, thanks for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're doing an unboxing video on these LASFIT LED bulbs. This is a combo kit that goes in a 3rd gen Toyota Prius. It'll replace the high beams and the low beams. So what you got in here is a 9005 bulb times 2 and an H11 bulb also times 2. If you want to see a video of how these are installed in a car, please check out my other videos and search 2012 Prius V headlight upgrade LED LASFIT. And you'll see these going in the car and you'll see how they work. For now, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing video. Alright, they come in a nice rectangular cardboard box. Seems to be pretty well made. They definitely spent some money here on the packaging, as opposed to just a regular cardboard box. Even got their name and stuff on the inside. You get a product manual. It tells you the installation instructions. This might be a little bit different depending on the car, but this is going to give you the basic instructions on how to put the bulbs in and everything. It's going to tell you how they operate. So you definitely want to read this before you install them in your car. And then after you install them in your car, you definitely want to take and park up and face a wall or a garage door or something like that and adjust the beams to the proper position so that you're not blinding oncoming drivers when you're driving at nighttime. Looks like it came with some stickers. Got a red, a black, and a white with a clear background. It's a single piece. So you can put them on something and peel the clear off and just the letters remain. Nice stickers. And let's get in here and check out these bulbs. They look awesome. We got the 9005 bulb. And it just plugs right in the spot of the original 9005 bulb. It's got this aluminum shroud here and a little fan in here to blow across the chip to keep it cool. Lights emitted from these small chips on each side, little LEDs, and they're very bright. That's the 9005 right there, and that's the 9005 plug right here on the back side. And then here we have the other ones. These are the H11 bulbs. They too are the same. Aluminum housing, a little fan in the back, got a little seal here, and the plug for them to be able to plug into the car. Interestingly enough, the tops look very similar to each other. I'll just hold them up for you there. So they look very close to each other. I don't know if there's any difference there, or that they make them brighter or dimmer depending on what kind of circuitry is inside. I'm just not sure. It's got foam, nice foam holders in the box. Packaging's done very, very well. Let's see what the specs are on these things. Okay, these are the LC Plus series, and they have a 1-year warranty. Color temperature of 6000 K, 2500 lumens per bulb, 25 watts per bulb, and they operate on 9 to 16 volts DC. They say the lighting source is an automotive grade LED flip chip, so I'm imagining that's what we're looking at right there. No complaints here about the quality of the box. No complaints about the initial look and quality of the actual items. The real test will be when we put them in the vehicle and see how well do they work. If you've watched the video to this point, I want to say thank you very much. If you found it entertaining or educational, please click the like button, the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this, unboxing, installation videos, other working on car videos, or even some videos of my cute Frenchies. Till next time, GreggFesto out.